a toy is made in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a right cone. Okay, so we have a toy. It is made like this, cone on hemisphere, right? And whose circular base is joined with the plane surface of the hemisphere. The radius of the base of the cone is 7. So radius is equal to how much? 7. And its volume is 3 by 2 of the volume of hemisphere. Okay, so volume of cone is equal to 3 by 2 volume of hemisphere, right? Calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the toy, correct to 3 decimal places. We should find the height of this cone and surface area. Okay, height is equal to how much and surface area of this toy is equal to how much? We need to find that. Okay, so first let us find the height. We know he has given us volume of cone is 3 by 2 volume of hemisphere. All right, so volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to, this is 3 by 2, volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? So this 2, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Pi and pi will also get cancelled, right? And here r values will be same. Okay, radius of this hemisphere and radius of the cone will be same, right? So we have h r square by 3 is equal to r cube. So this will be h is equal to 3r cube divided by r square. So we are sending r square and 3 on the other side. So 1 r will be left, right? So it is h is equal to 3r. But what is the value of r? It is 7. So if you substitute r is equal to 7, height will be equal to how much? 21 centimeters. So height we got it as 21 centimeters. So this is 21 centimeters. Okay, height of the cone. Now let us find surface area of toy. Surface area of toy will be equal to, see, curved surface area of this cone and curved surface area of this hemisphere, right? We should add it. So CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere, okay, will give us surface area of the toy. See, curved surface area of the cone, we know it is pi r l plus curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. So here we should find the value of L, isn't it? Okay, so let us draw a small cone here. Radius is equal to how much? 7. Height is equal to 21. We got it. Height is 21 we got, and radius is 7. We should find slant height L. So we know L is equal to root h square plus r square, right? So it is 21 square plus 7 square. So this will give us 441 plus 49. So it is equal to 490. All right, 490, right? We don't know the root of 490. We should find the root of 490. See, 490 up to 2 decimal places like this, right? We have learned this method in 1 or 2 videos, right? In the previous 1 or 2 videos. So if you want to write this value directly, it is equal to how much? 22.13. So I'm not going to explain how to find the root of 490 in this video, because I have done that in, I think, 1 or 2 videos. Okay, so root 490 is equal to 22.13. so L is equal to 22.13, right? So let us take pi r common from here. So L plus, if you take pi r common, 2r will be left here. Okay, so pi is 22 by 7, r is equal to 7, and L is equal to 22.13 plus 2 into r is 7. So 7 will get cancelled here. We have 22, 22 into 7 and 22.13 plus 14. So this will give us 22. Sorry, 7 is not the right. We have cancelled 7. So this is 36.13 will come here. So if you multiply this number, we will have 794.86 approximately. Okay, this is the surface area. So centimeter square, 794.86 centimeter square, surface area of this toy. Okay.